What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. And right here, guys, before we even get any closer, let's look at the coin market cap. Everything is looking very well, and as you guys can see, Bitcoin up 9%, XRP up almost 5%, and Litecoin up 4.5%, guys, as well as Chainlink up 6.5%, and that's pretty much it, as well as Dash up almost 8%. Obviously, Dash is doing pretty much really well, as well as Litecoin is doing really well, and obviously, guys, Bitcoin is doing amazing. The very first article, guys, the Daily Hodl, crypto whale moves 50,343 Bitcoin worth $320,978,017 as 51,000 XRP as it exits BitHub, guys. This is very huge. Again, as you see right here, let me say I agree. Mysterious cryptocurrency whale just moved a stunning amount of Bitcoin for a fee only of 60 cents. Again, whale alert. If you don't follow whale alert on Twitter, it tells you when big whales, big purchases or transactions have been done, sent or received. As well, guys, the wallet that received the crypto has been moving huge amounts of Bitcoins in the past. This suggests the owner of the wallet could be an exchange, hedge fund, or a custodian or a trader who is consistently shifting funds around the securities purposes. The big move is one of the numerous of sizable Bitcoin transactions that hit the ledger on Monday. Again, last 24 hours, there have been many big transfers, both Bitcoin, XRP, and Dash. As well, I said all of these are going to go up, and they are. So, again, this is looking very suspicious. Why is this much? Hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin and XRP moving. Again, something to look into. Daily Hodl, maybe put out an hour or two ago this article. Then we have this one, guys. Federal Reserve's endless asset buying could rekindle the interest in cryptocurrency market. Long-term U.S. Treasury bonds saw an erosion of yields after the Federal Reserve announced an endless asset purchasing program. Again, panicked investors sold long-term bonds to buy short-term investment instruments, again, such as gold and other kind of stocks, options, as well as cryptocurrency. As you've seen, cryptocurrency is seeing a very big move, a lot of big financials and people purchasing, like you see in the last article. Again, we could see an increase in investor optimism in the precious metals, and again, like I said, gold and silver and cryptocurrencies. The U.S. Federal Reserve announced the endless asset purchasing program to combat the economic slowdown due to the COVID-19. Again, the U.S. Treasury yields a long-term bonds collapse. Federal Reserve announces slew measures. Again, if we look at this, it's basically saying they're going to be buying more and more. Federal Reserve very likely to print new money. Again, every single time you print new money, that's very bad. There are an endless amount of dollars. There's only 21 in Bitcoins. I definitely agree with that. Scarcity as well as supply and demand, basic economics. Bitcoin and precious metals could widespread rise. Again, in the last article, guys, this topic of the video, the best cryptocurrency to hold long term. Obviously, how Cardano can topple Bitcoin and Ethereum. Of course, you've heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but have you heard about Cardano? Cardano mixes the star features in its own blockchain, runs smart contract platforms. The cryptocurrency currently holds a great potential to become a leading crypto and software, even equaling Bitcoin and Ethereum. More than a crypto, guys, Cardano houses a cryptocurrency named ADA and is a coin equipped to fill digital assets funds. And basically, guys, I've talked about it before. A huge advertising, huge team, huge development team, and the potential here is crazy. It could definitely go with third generation crypto, guys. Again, it starting on a white paper. Developers of Cardano first sought out ways to create a new and innovative system. This is more than just cryptocurrency, so all new is a third type, right? There's it's Foundation 1, 2, and 3. It's definitely one of the best and most innovative crypto with the biggest technology and biggest actually optimism and biggest potential growth in the future. So again, Cardano is my one long-term hold. I've been made videos. If you check out my recent videos, maybe about 6 months ago, I talked about Cardano as well, guys. Bitcoin, obviously, Bitcoin hold 50% of your position in Bitcoin all the time. I have about 10% in XRP. That's 60. I have about 20% in Litecoin, that's 80. Again, I have 10% of my position in Dash, and I have 10% of my position in Chainlink. So again, Dash, hold some Chainlink, hold Litecoin, hold XRP and Bitcoin, as well as Cardano, guys. Those are my long-term holds for cryptocurrencies and altcoins. If you hold all of these, guys, long-term, I'm talking about 1, 5, possibly 10 years. Yeah, that's right. It's a decade. You'll definitely see 100, 200% return. Again, not investment advice. I'm just letting you know what I personally think, my personal opinion, what I'm personally doing individually myself. Again, not investment advice, just educational and investing, not investing purposes only, opinion and just educational entertainment purposes only. And if you guys haven't already, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. As you see right here, here daily videos, 1 to 2 videos each and every single day. As you see, this is 1 day ago I posted 2, and then bam, as you see, I'm posting 1 to 2 videos every single day. My channel consists of cryptocurrency, stocks, and investing, guys. So if you haven't already, check out my cryptocurrency videos playlist. Over 250 videos, all between 1,000 1.9k views. A lot of educational, very knowledgeable, and a lot of information, as well as day trading live playlists. If you like watching stocks, options, and equities, check out my channel, guys. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, daily videos, and follow me on Twitter. Peace.